Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Thursday, September 26th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Very quiet day. We had export sales this morning. They were within the range towards the top end for soybeans and wheat, but not so much for corn, below expectations. And that brought out some sellers, which we have been seeing here at that 375 level off December corn. At one point, D's corn was down over 5 cents, coming back only closing a penny and 3/4 lower on the day, still being up above that 371 level, which was nice to see. Soybeans traded both sides of things, ended up closing down 3/4 cent. And then the wheat market looked like almost we were having some spreads unwind between Minneapolis and Chicago, and Minneapolis and Kansas City, as both Chicago and Kansas City found some strength, while Minneapolis got a sell back here into these markets, as we've really been on a tear when you look at Minneapolis wheat. So it wasn't all that out of the ordinary to see a little bit of a profit taking or see a little bit of pullback in Minneapolis wheat. It was down 6 cents on the day, where you had 4 higher into Chicago wheat. Meat markets very quiet to slightly trading both sides of things for live cattle and feeder cattle, where you saw some negativity here when you looked at lean hogs. At one point, lean hogs were down over $2, closing down about a buck on the day. Some slight support when you look at those cattle markets, but once again, very quiet trade. Outside markets, we saw lower trade majority of the day, though you did see crude oil reverse itself, being slightly higher, but overall, when you look at the trend of these markets, very quiet trade. So we'll see what Friday brings here tomorrow, see if we get any big trade before the weekend, and then gearing up for Monday's quarterly grain stocks, which finalizes old crop carryout for soybeans and corn, and then small grain summary as well for wheat. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and option involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.